Good morning, Trojans. Hope everybody had a great weekend and ready to kick off another great week here at Cambridge Public Schools. We had a great 3-day weekend. The weather was nice, and we're just getting ready to start another awesome week here. So let's take a look back at last week's Monday mission. Was it was okay to ask for help? Some of the things that we talked about um, was that it's okay to ask for some help on homework, to talk to a friend, a teacher, a parent in those difficult situations. It's okay to ask for somebody's help to come help you with those circumstances. And also, it's okay to ask for help completing a task. This week, I had a couple guest hosts along with me. I'm going to turn it over to them, and they can maybe throw in a few things that they feel like are ways or things that it's important to ask for help. So we'll start with Preston. Preston, what are some things you can think of, some circumstances that's okay to reach out and ask for help?
Like going to a teacher is perfectly fine. Like everyone has questions on their homework. Everyone has questions on tests. If you don't understand it, that's what we're here for. So go to a teacher, ask them when's the perfect time to come in, and I'm sure they'll give them your time. And yeah, it's pretty easy, but they'll
Yeah,
definitely be there to help you.
yeah. Very good. Spencer, do you have something to add?
Just pretty much going off what Preston said. I know in the past, like last year in chemistry, I had to go in a lot and ask questions on just any subject that you don't understand very well. Just go in and talk to your teacher early in the morning or email them, whatever. Just as long as you're getting the information and you're starting to understand it.
Yeah, awesome stuff. Awesome examples. Last week we had Josh Paisley, Emma Rasmussen, Harley Painter as our students of the week. We didn't have a photo up, so I wanted to make sure to get their photo up though. So congratulations to those three students. And then this week, our students of the week were Taylor Donahue, Katie Fegley, and Donald Rohr. So congratulations to those three students. Remember, this month's emphasis is respectful. So focus on the things that are going to be respectful. We'll have a new lesson to kind of talk about here in a moment. This week's Monday mission is, what can you say to make a difference in someone's day? So we all have those days where it seems like nothing can go right, and it also seems in those situations that anything and everybody says to you that day only makes the situation worse. So what our focus is this week is, what can we do as people to be more understandings of other people's difficulties? So what can we do to recognize those sort of things, and then what can we say that's going to be more positive and can be more helpful to those people that are struggling, and what can we do to make it? What can we say that's going to make a difference in their day? Some things that you can say, just off the top of my head, would be, just a simple good morning. If somebody jumps in and helps you out, say thanks for your help. Be really excited about that. In turn, maybe you can ask others what you can help them with. If it's the end of the week, like we have, each week here at school, if it's the end of the week, you can talk about having a great weekend. Certain times during the week or during the month or during the school year, you can ask other people to hang out with you, just to kind of help brighten their day. Maybe you just notice that something's bothering them. You notice that other people have been kind of on their case. So maybe there's some things that you can do to just say the right thing that's going to make the difference and make things better for them. You guys have some things that you've heard say or you've said to other people that can really, bolster someone else's day.
Yeah, just for example, I've come up with a few things like, do you want to sit together at lunch? I know sitting with friends is always way better. Not sitting by yourself is a lot more fun. And where can I get a really cool shirt like that? Just anything like that will make anybody feel a lot more welcomed and anything. And just something as simple as, hello, how are you doing? How's your day going? Stuff like that. It's the little things that we say that make everybody enjoy their days. So
Awesome. Very good. Spencer, do you have something?
Oh yeah, I mean just small things like holding the door open for someone or helping someone out with their homework. Like Preston says, there's a bunch of the small things that help people out with their day. So
Yeah. I mean, the thing to emphasize and just kind of build on what you guys said is, those things don't cost you anything. It's just a few moments of your day that you can take, and you can just focus on trying to say the right thing that's going to build somebody up rather than tearing them down. A lot of times we get a few people that kind of, start picking at other people. being that person that's going to, either help them out, be an advocate in that situation, or also, just be that person that's going to try to build them up after it's all over with. Those are things you need to think about. Be more cognizant of what's going on around you so that you can help the situation be better. And then finally, just remember that this month's Trojan Way focus is being respectful, kind of going along the same theme as what we've talked about here with our Monday mission, but showing empathy towards others. Everybody has their challenges. Everybody has their difficulties. Some people are really good at math. Some people aren't good at math. Some people can run really fast. Others can't run really fast. But understanding those situations and being able to show compassion to others while they're struggling through their circumstances is a really big sign of respect. So being more empathetic, showing that you care, showing that compassion is not only going to help them feel better, but it's going to make you feel better about yourself, and in turn going to allow maybe other people to recognize that and help you out through tough situations later on down the road. So with that, I want to thank my two guest hosts this week, Preston and Spencer, and just thank them for all their insights that they helped out with this week. And let's everybody have a great week, and go Trojans.